In this video, I'm going to show you the recipe on how to make homemade DIY scarwax. So, to make homemade DIY scarwax, you will need a few things. Vaseline, baking flour, a mixing bowl, colored pigments, and mixing utensils. To start this DIY recipe, add some Vaseline into the mixing bowl. After that, slowly add in some flour. Add in little by little so you don't add too much to a DIY scarwax. Mix up the Vaseline and flour. When the flour is mixed up all the way, add more flour to the DIY scarwax. Keep adding flour until you get the consistency of scarwax. Don't forget to subscribe to Deadlight Studio for more videos just like this homemade DIY scarwax recipe. When your scarwax is fully mixed, it's time to add color. Just add your pigments into the scarwax and mix it up. Once that is finished, you just made DIY scarwax at home. I hope you guys enjoyed the scarwax tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.